This video addresses a different type of point slope form, one that is using 2 points rather than a slope and a point. So for this problem, write an equation in point slope form for the line passing through the points 2, 7, and 4, 13. Well, if you'll remember, point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And obviously, we need the slope to be able to write this equation. We don't have the slope. So what we'll be doing is using our 2 points to calculate the slope first. Our first step will be to take our 2 points, 2, 7 and 4, 13, and calculate the slope, m. So in this case, if you'll recall, m is the first point for y, 13, minus the second point for y, over the second x minus the first x. So in this case, 13 minus 7 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and we can simplify that to the point 3. So now we're going to go back to our point slope form. We need our slope and we need a point. So the question is, which point do we use? Well, it really doesn't matter. You can use either point. Either point will give you the equation of the line because that line does go through both points. As a matter of courtesy, I always just use whichever the first point is, in this case 2, 7. So I'm going to go ahead and write my equation. Y minus my x is 7 equals m, which is 3, times x minus 2. And you have your equation in point slope form. Let's try another one. What if I have the 2 points -3, 1 and -5, -4? Here again, the first step we need to do is find our slope, m. So we know that m equals -4 minus the second y will be 1 over -5 minus, and in this case our x is -3. We'll go ahead and put it in parentheses, and we're going to get -5 on the top, and on the bottom, if you'll recall, 2 negatives become positive. -5 plus 3 will give me -2. This 2 negatives can simplify into 5 over 2, positive over a positive. And now that we have our slope, here again we can go write our equation. We get y minus, and I'm just going to use this first point here, y minus 1 equals, my slope is 5 over 2, and x minus -3, x minus -3 is going to give me x plus 3. And there's your equation. And that's it.